Let's get started. Solution 1. First, open the Start menu and type Windows Security. Open it. On the left side, click Virus and Threat Protection, scroll down, and select Manage Settings. Now temporarily turn off Real-Time Protection and Dev Drive Protection if it's enabled on your PC. Remember to turn these protections back on after you've finished downloading your file. Once you've disabled them, close the Windows Security window. Solution 2. Open Google Chrome. Click on the three dots in the top right corner. Select Settings. On the left side, click Privacy and Security. Now select Security under Safe Browsing. Select No Protection. Chrome will display a warning. Click Turn Off to confirm. Now try downloading the file again. If the download still fails, continue to the next solution. Solution 3. Click the three dots. Again, in the top right corner of Chrome, select Extensions. Then click Manage Extensions. Disable all extensions that are currently enabled. Some browser extensions can interfere with downloads and trigger the Download Failed Virus Detected error. Google Chrome should now be able to download your file without displaying the Download Failed Virus Detected error.